I can't cry. I had my tear ducts removed. Come on, it's pretty great. I'm going to ask you to smell your armpits. It's the smell of failure, and it's stinking up the whole place. Why are you so mean? Yeah, we've done nothing to you, and all you've done is come in here and tell us and your audience. We've been having fun when you've just been cruel. Are you just lonely? Is that why you're so mean? Did something happen to you when you were young that made you this way? When I was young, I never needed anyone. And singing songs was just for fun. Those days are gone. All by myself. All by myself anymore. You're right. You say deep down and cuss like that. What a horrible thing to say. What's going on? You just spontaneously burst into song. Doesn't that make you happy? I just sang a power ballad. Being with you freaks is contagious or something. I feel dirty. I'll need a shower repeatedly to get the musical theater stench off.